What's going on, everybody? Arty 84 Wicked Explorers today. Today we are in Burlington, Vermont, or I should say northeastern, because we're not just in Burlington, we're in a few cities. Suzi J is getting ready, but we're going to be hitting up Cabot Creamery for a tour there. We're going to be hitting up Ben & Jerry's. Then we're going to go to downtown Burlington, see the lake, and then go to a baseball game tonight. It's going to be crazy, so follow us. What used to go in here, like you can go into that's where they made all this stuff. Can't really see anything though.
No. Those look like the things they...
To the bear?
Yep.
I like the old machinery. You're talking about that box.
Look at that boo-boo, it looks like Tommy.
I don't have any like the orange treats you like.
No.
Ooh, that was the bacon chat. That was pretty good. That would taste good like on like a bagel or something. Oh, they have like dips. You like dips, right? Beer and cheese.
Recipes, supplies for 31-pound batches.
Did you eat your own cheese?
Right now.
It gives you like instructions on how to do it.
You heat, you
stir,
you melt,
Interesting.
and you stretch.
Interesting.
Doesn't Eric like pancake mix?
Yeah, he does eat a lot of pancakes. How do you make those? It comes with all the ingredients. Just gotta cook it.
Yeah, you just need...
Ooh. So I came all the way here and they don't do tours anymore. That's too bad.
Employees only up there.
Employees only. Oh,
I don't think there's anywhere we can walk around.
let's see. There's the building. Said they stopped doing tours because of regulations with the state and the health code. But it's not like people like on top of the manufacturer, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Very weird. We're exploring to see if there's anything on the other side of the building. Doesn't seem to be anything. That's probably why the truck's coming. Yep, just the truck bay. Huh. There's the giant stacks for the store the milk. Yep, and there's the fire department. Right there, for the city. The sky looks wild.
I know, dark clouds, white clouds.
That was a short tour. What's that? I wonder if that building up on the hill.
Where?
Next to where we parked, straight ahead. Well, that was the tour of Cabot, or the lack thereof.
Yeah.
No,
Didn't get to see any cheese making.
no cows, no cheese. They got a shot glass and a dog biscuit making kit.
We're gonna make Tommy and Nola their very own dog treats.
It's gonna be adventurous. Where are we going next?
Ben and Jerry's.
They get some ice cream.
Yum.
Solar panels. Where are we?
Ben and Jerry's.
Ooh, wacky.
Huh?
There's tons of people here. This place is packed. Stowe, Vermont.
This
About,
place looks like it has a little more civilization than Cabot.
yes, a
Vermont.
few more people here, I guess. Someone's getting some ice cream.
I'm not terrified. What just happened?
Lost my keys in the car. You're not even recording.
Yes, I am.
How do you figure out how to record it?
I hit the record button.
Oh, yeah, you left my
my
keys.
car. You've made that very clear, so I'm not responsible for your keys.
Why'd you lock my keys in the car again? Hey, at least we didn't lock the keys in the car like we did going to Pennsylvania with the car running.
Don't walk through that mud.
I'm not walking through the mud. I'm trying not to get hit by a car. Like you. These are the ones that didn't make it. Oh. That was my nickname in high school. Shoot us with all your ideas. Like a little tombstone.
Huh?
Gilbert would not like that one. Vermont Python. That was my nickname in high school. Who?
You!
I was in the picture?
Yeah.
That was my nickname in high school too. Vermont Python is my favorite though.
Wait, what?
That was my nickname.
Vermont pipe cleaner?
Yeah. Anyone in there? Is there cows in it? Did you enjoy your Ben & Jerry experience?
I did.
They didn't let us videotape inside the tour though.
I was a rebel and I
Took a couple pictures,
I took some pictures.
which you'll see at the end of this film. But it was nothing, it looked like any other factory, like a brewery or anything of that nature.
Yeah.
But how do you invent ice cream and not have taste buds?
I don't know. That's why you put all the chunks in.
I like a nice chunk.
That Americone is probably my new favorite ice cream.
It is pretty good. Alright, now we're heading down to downtown Burlington. A baseball game tonight. Gonna eat some dinner by the 8 Lake. To the automobile. Well, we made it to Burlington.
Super cute town.
Now we're going to get some lunch, dinner, some
Yum.
water place. Oh, it looks like it's like literally on a pier.
It is.
That's pretty cool.
Like the front is like a dog.
So we just ate dinner on a pier.
Oh god, I look like a pig.
Oink oink, say oink oink.
Do not post this.
Did you get water damage? Like seasickness?
No, so when you're pregnant you get really dizzy anyways.
Yeah.
And I've been getting dizzy this week. And so being on that dock, normally it doesn't bother me.
Yeah.
Stop making fun of me.
Pregnant.
You're holding that camera at a very awful angle for me. That's even worse.
So you rather like this one?
No.
What's a good angle for you? Now we're heading to a baseball game.
Yay!
She's gonna have a hot dog.
No, I'm not eating anything else.
That's what she says. Until about the third inning when she's hungry. It's gonna be, I'm hungry.
Henry's gonna take all my food and then I'm gonna be hungry again.
Can I explain to everyone what happened?
I don't even know if I have words to explain what happened.
I can say we took a lift, 1.5 miles from the water to the ballpark. We're going to the ball game right now. And I gotta tell you, a little on edge.
He almost ran over 10 people.
Yes, he blew through crosswalks. His transmission was about to drop from his car. And then the road we're walking on right now, this is the stadium at the end over there. He proceeded to try to go down when there was
even though it says a sign that says no baseball stadium access.
They're letting way too many people. Ooh, it's like cool.
So then he let us off on a main road.
Yeah, which is fine. Oh, that's cool. It has like a kitchen in the bus, huh?
Hot dog. Ready, set, Get line, catch up. Go! Always cheat, just like mustard used to. Everyone take it. Look at mustard.
Mustard or maple?
Take it out.
Mustard's in the
Coming
lead.
on his side. Hot dogs coming up fast though. They're losing size and speed. Coming up right at the end. Mustard, mustard. That's Hamilton coming up. And mustard on the end. Mustard is the winner. One, two, shoot!
It's just super.
Oh god, that's gonna be so thick. You're gonna get diabetes.
5 seconds. Stop! Stop chugging. Put them up next to each other. It's not even close. Andrew takes the crown.
Oh my
The
God.
chugging contest is done. Rich, back up to you.
Wow, that's impressive, I think. Always good to have the hospital right across the street. Congratulations to our winner.
The dance is like Eric Powers. Hi.
Hi, we got cold.
We got pulled?
Cold.
Oh, cold. Yes, we have sweatshirts on now. We're at the, they called them Maple Kings. It was just for tonight. That's why I was confused.
So what's their real name?
The Lake Monsters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do we pick up an Uber?
I don't know, ask people. We're live right now on Facebook.
Facebook. Where can we pick up an Uber?
That's not, we're not on Facebook.
Oh, I know that.
Oh, is that Facebook? Well, this concludes our adventure in Burlington.
We just stayed at the Friendly Toast.
Yes, it was very friendly.
Very yummy.
I just had a Bloody Mary flight. It was wonderful.
I'm jealous.
Now we're heading back home. And we'll do this again some other time. What do people have to do?
Like us.
Subscribe.
Follow us. Subscribe to us.
She almost got it.
We're on
See?
Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Where else?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. See you later. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.